Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter introducing Windows 11 OS. So we very well know what is operating system. It is simply the interface between the user and the computer. Now, the Windows is more than an operating system, as in a way that we can learn, we can work, we can play. So we have seen that Windows 10 how it works. So there are others versions of Windows like XP, Vistas, which have eventually evolved day by day. So in this class, we will learn about Windows 11. So let's plug in the chapter. Windows experience, Windows 11, sign into Windows 11 PC, components of Windows 11, settings, shut down Windows 11. Let's just start the chapter.
Windows experience. Windows has always existed to be a stage for the world's innovation. Windows is more than just an operating system, it's a fabric woven into our lives and in our work. It's where we connect with people, it's where we learn, work and play. Over time it's remained familiar and adapted to us. It is a platform over 1 billion people today rely on. In a world where more and more people are opting to use PCs in their day-to-day lives, Microsoft is back with a roaring passion to create a modern version of the Windows user experience that's simple to use, beautifully designed, and well-connected, all in an effort to make us more productive in our professional or creative workflows. Windows is a collection of programs known as an operating system OS that controls a personal computer PC. The first Windows launched in 1985 was Windows 1.0. Later many versions were released such as Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Windows 11. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Microsoft has officially released Windows 11 to the public on 5 October 2021 as a free upgrade via Windows Update and Windows 11 Installation Assistant on eligible devices running Windows 10. The new operating system comes with a completely modern and fresh interface, new apps and features, and some functionality changes. Features of Windows 11. Windows has always been about helping us work the way we want by offering flexibility. Instead of being anchored to the left side of the screen as it was in Windows 10, Windows 11 hovers just above the bottom center of the screen. Mac-like interface, Windows 11 features a new and clean design with rounded corners, pastel shades and a centered start menu and taskbar. Integrated Android apps. Android apps will be coming to Windows 11 via the Amazon App Store, which will be accessible from within the updated Microsoft Store. Widgets. Widgets are small windows that display dynamic info on desktop. We can now access widgets directly from the taskbar and personalize them to reflect our interests and the way we work. Better virtual desktop support. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school or gaming use. We can also change our wallpaper on each virtual desktop. Gaming. Game mode is a special mode within Windows 11. HDR is supported on compatible machines, offering improved lighting and contrast for gaming and viewing media. Direct storage offers faster load times and more detailed game worlds, more vivid range of colors for a truly captivating visual experience. With the Xbox app, we can sync our Xbox gaming credentials to our PC, create groups and chat with friends, listen to music, tweak avatars, and track achievements. With the Game Bar utility, we can capture funny screenshots and epic videos as well as monitor PC system performance. Better multitasking. Windows 11 brings changes to Snap Assist with Snap Groups as part of the multitasking improvements. It has a feature called Snap Layout which provides a new option for organizing open windows. We can split the screen into multiple sections so as to open 4 or 6 windows simultaneously. They also let us plug and unplug from a monitor more easily without losing where our open windows are located. Though we've already been multitasking in Windows 10 with the ability to snap windows to various places on our screen, Windows 11 takes that feature to the next level. Once we have all the programs open, pull one to the front of the screen and hover the mouse over the Maximize button. We'll then see different ways to tile and snap our open windows. We can tile 2 or more windows side by side at an even length, side by side with one side bigger, straight down the middle in a vertical column, straight down the middle with the middle one being bigger and more. Here, I chose third option which has launched my 3 running apps on the desktop from preview I snapped. Windows will suggest ways to tile the other programs in to fill the snap layout shortly after. We can then keep working with our open windows neatly. Sign into Windows 11 PC. When we turn our PC on, we will see the date, time and day. When we click on it, we will see a login screen with our PC's name and our photo. Log in using the correct credentials and click on the arrow right next to it. Once we are logged in, we will land on the desktop. This is where we can start exploring our PC, open various files and folders, launch apps, etc. Windows 11 has an all-new Start menu which has the Windows 11 logo as its icon. Components of Windows 11. Icons. Desktop screen. Start button. Task view. Microsoft Teams. File Explorer. Microsoft Store. Google Chrome. Search button. Widgets. Mail. Microsoft Edge. Wikipedia. Notification area. Time and date. Windows 11 features a new taskbar that is centered at the bottom of the main home screen with few default icons which are useful to the user. They are Start, Search, Task View, Widgets, Microsoft Teams, File Explorer, Mail, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Wikipedia. Start button. The Windows 11 Start menu is the first icon or button in the new Windows 11 taskbar. When we click on the Windows 11 Start button, it opens up a Start menu with a group of icons that include Microsoft Edge, Mail, Calendar, Microsoft Store, Photos, Settings Office, Xbox, and many more. Search button. The Windows 11 search function is located in the Windows 11 taskbar. When we click on the Windows 11 search button, a rectangular pane pops up with a search button at the top that allows us to search the files, folders, apps, etc. located on our PC. We can also click on the More menu to find the apps as shown in the picture alongside. The Windows 11 search function seems to be cleaner in Windows 11 and allows us to find what we are looking for in a faster and more efficient manner. Task View. The Windows 11 Task View functionality allows the user to switch between multiple Windows 11 desktop views. Widgets. Windows 11 widgets, a new personalized feed powered by AI, are located as an icon in the Windows 11 taskbar. Each widget shows changing information such as stock price, weather, sports and top stories. These widgets are scrollable. Depending on the Windows 11 widgets we have, we can scroll vertically to see more. The latest version of the Windows 11 OS replaces the widget icon with a weather widget in the left corner. Microsoft Teams. Windows 11 introduced chat from Microsoft Teams integrated in the taskbar. Windows 11 was finalized during the COVID pandemic, which changed the way we work and live, with video conferencing and chat increasing as in-person meetings decreased. In Windows 11, Microsoft doubles down on the bet that chat and video meetings will remain an important part of people's work and private life, even when life becomes more normal. Click the icon, and a Teams screen opens up with our contacts on them. Scroll and search through contacts, click the person with whom we want to connect, and a Teams chat and video conferencing window opens, requesting to connect. The shortcut key to use the feature is Windows key plus C. File Explorer. Windows 11 File Explorer opens up the File Explorer user interface. It helps us to get the files quickly and easily. It has a new, streamlined context menu, making it easier to get popular commands. To check it out, press Windows key, Windows plus C on the keyboard. Microsoft Edge. Clicking on Microsoft Edge icon will open up a Microsoft Edge browser window. In the browser URL window, we can enter the URL of the website we want to visit. Settings. Settings is where we can make changes to the configuration of the Windows 11 OS. There are a few icons on the taskbar by default that can't be removed using the unpin function. Apart from Start menu, we can remove the other icons using the taskbar settings. Right-click on the taskbar and then click on the taskbar settings option. Here at the top, we'll see all the taskbar default items with a toggle button next to them. We can toggle off the items that we don't want to see on the taskbar and they will be removed. Or, to get to Windows 11 settings, the fastest way is by clicking on the first icon in the taskbar, the Start menu. Once we click on it, we are presented with the settings screen. Shut down Windows 11. Follow the steps to shut down Windows 11. Step 1. To shut down the PC, launch the Start menu. We will see a power button on the bottom right corner. Step 2. Click on power button and we will get the options to sleep, shut down or restart. Alternatively, we can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4 to shut down our PC. The following screen will appear. Click on the down arrow. A list of various options will appear. Step 3. Click on Shut Down. The system will shut down in a few minutes. Throwback. Windows is more than just an operating system, it's a fabric woven into our lives and in our work. Windows 11 is the successor to Windows 10. Windows 11 can set up virtual desktops toggling between multiple desktops for personal, work, school or gaming use. Windows 11 hovers just above the bottom center of the screen. There are few default icons on the taskbar are useful to the Windows user. They are Start, Search, Task View, Widgets, Microsoft Teams, File Explorer, Mail, Microsoft Store, Microsoft Edge, Google Chrome and Wikipedia. We can toggle off the items that we don't want to see on the taskbar and they will be removed. Settings is where we can make changes to the configuration of the Windows 11 OS. We can use the keyboard shortcut Alt plus F4 to shut down our PC.